Hi, if you're wondering how to view Safari browsing history on iPhone, then you're in the right place. For that, as a first step, of course, go ahead and open Safari and now tap on this book icon on the bottom of the page. After that, switch from this book icon to clock icon and you'll be able to view history. So you can view it for this afternoon, for any other day in the list. So here you'll find all of the dates. You can also tap on the arrow and check more detailed content. And also you can search for any web page which you were looking for before. So as you can see, it's given me some results. I can click here and view history for the April 14th, and I can immediately tap on the web page to visit it again. So this is really comfortable to use. Just tap on the arrow and search for any web page from your history. If you want to, you can clear it by tapping this clear button and selecting time frame. Additionally, you can close all tabs and then confirm by tapping Clear History. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.